What is Internet? Internet basically is a network of connected computers. The computers in this network are also called nodes. One of the Internet's biggest advantages is it allows computers to collaborate with each other. But when it comes to collaboration, we need someone to coordinate. This naturally leads to the creation of a central coordinator. So Internet looks more like this. Data is stored in some nodes or the so-called servers. They are the central coordinator who have authority over the data. They control who can see what data and who can change what data. For example, the central authority could be the ERP system at your company. But the problem here is if a bad actor or a hacker who wants to breach into your company's ERP system for some valuable information, all that he has to do is to break into this central authority. Or let's say this central authority stores and manages some kind of digital currency like Bitcoin. If this central authority is not trustworthy, how can you stop him from moving all of your money to his own account and delete all the transaction records? These risks lead to a simple question. Can we create a safer central-less network? If there's no central authority, then a very important question is, how can a node trust the information he receives? Because everyone can say anything. In 1982, three computer scientists illustrated this challenge as the so-called Byzantine generals problem. Imagine there are several Byzantine generals. They are attacking a city. Well, there are a few traitors among the generals. The city is well defended. It can be taken only if all the royal generals attack together. So they are trying to reach an agreement on the attacking time. The generals are far apart and they can communicate with one another only by messengers. The problem is no one knows who are the traitors, and everyone can say anything to anyone. Without a central commander, the hidden traitors may send out falsified messages, so a general may receive different messages but doesn't know which to trust. So how can the royal generals coordinate their attacking plan in this case? Well, that sounds very difficult, right? It is indeed a quite difficult problem. This is exactly the situation faced by a centralized computer network. So, what's the solution? Well, you probably already guessed it. It's blockchain.